Good day, everyone. Today we will be discussing a topic that touches the heart of every family and also influences the future of every society. And the topic is how fathers shape their sons, the impact of present and absent fathers. Let me start by saying that the role of a father exceeds far beyond providing food, shelter, and education. A father is often a boy's first example of manhood, and through his words, actions, and character, the boy learns what it means to be a man, how to treat others, how to handle challenges, and how to navigate life. Now, let's talk about the power of a present father. A present father does more than just occupying space in the home. He actively participates in the life of a son. In this context, a presence is not merely physical, it is emotional, relational, and also intentional. When fathers are actively involved, sons develop a stronger sense of identity. They gain confidence because they know they are loved, valued, and also supported. A father's affirmation can become the foundation upon which a son builds self-esteem and also resilience. Present fathers also provide guidance and discipline. They teach responsibility, accountability, and also teaches integrity. Through daily interactions, sons learn important life skills such as decision making, conflict resolutions, emotional control, and also leadership. Fathers are model of relationships. The way a father treats his spouse, his family members, his friends, and colleagues sends powerful messages to his son. Boys often learn respect, empathy, and responsibility by observing their fathers. Research consistently shows that children who grow up with engaged fathers are more likely to perform better academically, avoid risky behaviors, and also develop healthier social relationships. Why mothers play an equally vital role? Fathers bring unique contributions that help shape a son's emotional and social development. Let's discuss the consequences of an absent father. Unfortunately, many boys grow up without a consistent presence of a father. Absence may occur due to death, divorce, separation, work demands, abandonment, or emotional disengagement. The absence of a father can leave significant gaps in a son's development. Many boys struggle with questions about identity, worth, and belonging. Without positive male guidance, some men may seek validation from peers, from social media, from celebrity, from other influences that may not provide healthy examples of manhood. Father's absence can also affect emotional development. Some boys suppresses their emotions because they lack healthy examples of emotional expressions. Others may express anger, insecurity, or difficulties forming trusting relationships. In some cases, the absence of a father creates a circle that repeats itself across generations. Boys who grow up without positive fathers or positive father figure may struggle to understand what responsible fatherhood looks like when they become adults. However, it is important to note that father's absence does not determine a child's destiny. Many successful and emotionally healthy men have overcome the challenges of growing without fathers through the support of their mothers, mentors, relatives, teachers, coaches, supporters, or the caring community at large. But let me ask this. What do you think a boy child needs most from his father? You can drop that in the comments in the comment section. But contrary to popular beliefs, sons do not primarily need expensive gifts or luxurious lifestyles. What they need most is connection. They need fathers who listen. They need fathers who encourages. They need fathers who correct with love. They need fathers who spend time with them. They also need fathers who demonstrate character, humility, and also responsibility. Many adult men can still remember words spoken by their fathers decades earlier, both positive words and negative. They remind, or let me say, this reminds us that a father's influence often lasts a lifetime. I want to make a great call to all fathers, to every father out there. Your presence matters more than you may realize. Your son is watching. He's watching how you respond to success. He's watching how you respond to failure. He is learning from your habits, your attitude, and your values. Let me say this. You do not have to be a perfect father to make a positive impact. What your son needs is not perfection, but consistency, your love, and authenticity. Be available, be involved, be intentional. If mistakes have happened or if mistakes have been made in the past, it is never too late to rebuild relationships. One sincere conversation, one act of commitment, and one step towards reconciliation can begin the process of healing. I will conclude by saying that the influence of a father is one of the most powerful forces in a son's life. A present father can provide guidance, security, and a model of healthy manhood. An absent father can leave challenges that may affect a son for years. Yet, those challenges do not have to define his future. As families, as communities, and societies, we must encourage fathers to embrace their responsibilities and support the boy child who may lack a father figure. When fathers are engaged and intentional, the boy child are better equipped to become responsible men, loving husbands, devoted fathers, and positive contributors to the society in general. The future of our sons is shaped not only by what fathers can provide, but by who the father chooses to be. Thank you, and may we all strive to realize, or may we all strive to raise a generation of boys who become men of character, purpose, and compassion. Thank you very much. See you some other time.